market is actually very far from Bangkok. So the tour guide is giving us a really good deal to go all the way there. He's driving us for like an hour and a half now, and we're not even there yet. 40 more minutes. So we're hungry. We're gonna get some snacks to go. We're gonna go to the floating market. We're gonna go to the museum. We're gonna go to Chinatown. Everywhere. He's gonna be available all day for 1,500. Going to floating market right now. I don't know how we're gonna get there, but I think it's by boat. So yeah, we're here after 2 hours and a half. Okay, it's $5,000. I mean 5,000 baht for the whole trip. Coconut sugar. Making sugar from coconut water. It smells really good. Very good. Sugar. We just bought a bag. It's 1 kilogram for 50 baht. According to what they told me, the coconut water is supposed to be boiling hot. They put a lot of ice in it, but I don't know. I don't feel hot. An endless canal of water, boats, but it's so narrow that you could actually hurt yourself if you put your hand outside, so you have to be mindful and be careful. Another thing is there's just so many stores that they try to sell you things, so it's really annoying. I like food more than the stuff like that. Yeah, so let's see if they have any good food in the front. This is an actual floating market. Previously was floating shop stores. Floating stores. This is floating market supposedly. So this market has a lot of food, I think. A lot of different restaurants that we're gonna get on to eat. It's getting to a smaller canal, but there's so much more food now.
ตามที่จอดนะครับเข้ามาก็มันเป็นอะไรจอดเลยจอดไม่ได้เลยจอดแล้วต้องโดนจับมาปลาไหลเนี่ยนี่80เอกกี่บาทไปเลยเอาไปสักมากไปหมดต้องมาบนโดยhop.
We're literally shopping right now, so that's how floating market works. The seller has to follow us when we're moving along. Look at this. This is coconut ice cream, and it's 60 baht, which is about close to $2. I think it's pretty good. 60 baht is so worth it. On a hot day like this, you need coconut ice cream. Order this whole bowl of noodle, and it's only 50 baht. 50 baht is about $1.50. Yeah, it's about $1.50 per bowl. And we have to share just because it's so hard to eat on the boat, and also we eat a lot of snacks and we don't need to eat too much.